An incredible life lived, and we're now joined for some perspective tonight by legal expert and constitutional scholar at the University of Toledo, Professor Lee Strang, joining us now. Professor, thanks for joining us this evening. First, your thoughts on the passing of Justice Ginsburg. What will her legacy be in your estimation?
So she was an amazing woman and an amazing justice in a lot of ways. She, as a young attorney, worked hard for her goal of broadening the conception of equal protection to include express protection for women. And as an attorney, as a judge, and then later as a justice, she succeeded. And in fact, it culminated in her writing a majority opinion in an opinion called United States versus Virginia, which dealt with the Virginia Military Institute, which had been for over a century a single-sex college. And she authored the majority opinion that struck that down under the doctrine that as an attorney, she had helped the court adopt.
Her fight for gender equality that went on for years. Can you take us through the nomination process, Professor Strang, and how quickly you think this could happen with the election coming up in 46 days now?
President Trump, one of his signature moves in the prior election, which he has repeated in this election, is he has put forth a list of nominees that he says he will select a justice from. That list includes the who's who among the conservative legal intelligentsia. And on most people's mind, the primary likely nominee for replacement of Justice Ginsburg was Amy Coney Barrett, a former law professor and now a Seventh Circuit judge. And President Trump, I think, would quickly be able to submit her name to the Senate because he's already spoken with her in person. She's been vetted because of the last round of Supreme Court nominations. And then the Senate would have to hold hearings and then have a confirmation vote. And Senator McConnell, previous to tonight and then tonight again, reiterated that the Senate will hold a floor vote on any nominee by President Trump. And if you look at the prior confirmation hearings by, for example, Justice Kavanaugh was approximately 80 days. Justice Gorsuch was shorter. We've got 45 days, 46, I guess, if you count today, until the election. But new president wouldn't take office if it's somebody other than President Trump until early January. So we actually, I think, probably have enough time to confirm whoever the nominee is by President Trump.
All right. Professor Lee Strang, University of Toledo constitutional scholar. We do appreciate your time tonight. Thank you very much.